Hey, crypto enthusiasts! It's your go-to source, CryptoBee, here with another electrifying deep dive into the galaxy of cryptocurrency, powered by your comments and curiosity. Today's mission? To unravel the mystique of cryptocurrency for beginners, answering those burning questions that you've been dropping like hot potatoes in the comments. Buckle up, we're about to make Satoshi Nakamoto proud. First up, let's decode the beast that is cryptocurrency. Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by big banks or stuffy institutions, but by the very people who use it. That's crypto, baby. Born in the digital realm, secured by something called cryptography, making it a tough nut for counterfeiters. Why's everyone and their Doge talking about it? 3 words: decentralization, high returns, and the undeniable fact that it's reshaping the financial playground. Flashback to 2009, Bitcoin stepped onto the scene as the first of its kind, and the rest is history. Diving deeper, how do these digital treasures function? Picture an unbreakable chain of digital blocks. That's blockchain, the backbone of crypto, ensuring that every transaction is recorded, secure, and transparent. Mining? It's not about pickaxes, but about computers solving complex puzzles to validate transactions, rewarded with crypto gold. Wallets, think of them as your digital bank accounts, holding your precious coins. From Bitcoin's dominance as a digital gold to Ethereum's wizardry enabling smart contracts, and let's not forget the explosion of art and gaming through NFTs, the crypto universe is vast and expanding. But what does this mean for you, the digital native, seeking financial freedom and a slice of the crypto pie? Opportunities, my friend, from sending money across the globe without hefty fees, to earning through decentralized apps, and even creating or investing in digital art. The future is here, and it's encoded in blockchain. Now, addressing the elephant in the room, how does a beginner, especially a young gun at 14, navigate this digital jungle? Knowledge is power, and patience is your best ally. Start by absorbing everything crypto: articles, videos, like this one, online courses. Remember, the market is volatile. Think of it as the world's most exhilarating roller coaster. Only invest what you're prepared to lose, and diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one cryptocurrency basket. Speaking of young pioneers, meet Alex, a 16-year-old who turned a modest allowance into a small fortune by researching, learning, and cautiously investing in cryptocurrencies. His secret? Staying informed, avoiding the FOMO trap, and a disciplined approach to investing. Crypto isn't just about making bank. It's about making informed choices. Everyday applications of crypto are becoming more mainstream. Imagine buying your morning coffee with Bitcoin or earning crypto by playing online games. The line between the virtual and real world is blurring, with cryptocurrency leading the charge. Wrapping up, this deep dive into cryptocurrency for beginners is just scratching the surface. The crypto revolution is more than a trend. It's a seismic shift in how we perceive value, money, and ownership. I urge you, the bright minds and future leaders, to dive deeper, question everything, and become active participants in shaping this new digital frontier. Got more questions or craving another topic? Drop them in the comments. Our journey through the cryptoverse is fueled by your curiosity, with new deep dives launching daily. Until next time, keep hodling, keep exploring, and remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is your most valuable currency. Peace out.